Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Soji and you are welcome to Soji FOREX. On this channel we share advice on financial market, proven strategies that you can practice and get perfect on it, and you can become a profitable trader by trading these simple strategies that we share on our channel. So if you are looking for how to trade the smart money concept, SMC, price action, indicators trading, all these are strategies you can combine to have a confluence to build more confidence in your trade entries. So today briefly we are continuing from our previous video on how to buy boom and how to sell crash. I've established in our previous videos by looking at our indicator window. This is our main chart. This is our indicator window 1. This is our indicator window 1, and then here is our indicator window 2. So these parameters are goal towards seeing us taking advantage and getting the best out of the market. So first of all, when we look at our main screen, we have 3 indicators on our main screen, right? And then let's try to explain what these indicators are. First of all, if you look at our main screen, you have our Bollinger Band, which is the indicator with the green line. We have the upper Bollinger Band, the middle Bollinger Band, and the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, this is not the normal default setting of a Bollinger Band. This is our special setting for Bollinger Band. I'll be sharing the setting at the end of the video. So please, one of the mistakes we do is that most of the time we are too much in a hurry to get the setting and then jump into trading. No, you need to watch this video bit by bit. You need to watch this video more than once so that you can get every needed requirement. Do not skip any part of the video. It is a bad attitude towards learning. So please pay attention. Watch the video more than once. Practice it. Okay? Give yourself targets. Trade your demo account as your real account. There is no difference, as a matter of fact, between a demo account and a real account. So if you can be profitable on your demo account, you can be profitable on your real account. So please, that is for that. Give it your best. Watch every part of the video. Whatever is making you to be in a haste without understanding a strategy, and then you begin to conclude that the strategy is not working, is the same thing that is chasing you into blowing your capital. So please don't do yourself any kind of injustice. Right, so let's proceed. So having said that, this is our moving average 10, moving average, 10 exponential. Then we have our indicator window 1. On our indicator window 1, we have our histogram. This histogram line we are seeing is that of the MACD. Okay, and this is a signal line of the MACD. Alright, and then we have our RSI 14. So this value you are seeing, 14 in bracket, is showing us the period of RSI. Then the reading, this 56.56, is actually the reading of the RSI. Then in our indicator window 2, we have our stochastics. Our stochastics oscillator, which is the red line. Then the blue line is our indicator moving average. The period is 10 and it is applied to exponential. So without wasting much time, let's go into the main work, why we are here. Okay, now if you have been going to our previous video, you will see that we are having an entry at this point. We're having an entry at this point, and then what is our entry? A previous video on how to sell boom, we say we want to see the price piercing the upper Bollinger Band, our indicator window 1, on our main chart, which is a sign of an exhaustion, and that is happening already. Okay, having established that, we say we want to see our indicator window 1. We want to see it at the level of 90. The MACD histogram is already at 90 level. Okay, the MACD histogram is already at the 90 level. And then we want to as well see that our stochastics and our moving average 10 is at 90 level, and there is a cross between the stochastics and the moving average 10, and the moving average 10 as well is making a curve like a cover above the stochastics oscillator, which is happening there. And then here we have a double confirmation. This is the double confirmation I'm talking about. Good, right? This is a divergence. You see the market making a higher high, and the indicator is making a lower low. And then for me to make this entry, price has already closed below the lower Bollinger. Price already closed below the moving average 10. So it's an entry for me. Right. So by the way, that is not what we are here to do today, but that is it. So now we are looking at how to buy looking at how we can buy boom. So we see we'll come to our M15 time frame. Okay, and on this M15 time frame, we want to see price. Remember, our middle Bollinger Band is our zone for trade continuation. When price returned from the upper Bollinger Band here and it returns back to our middle Bollinger Band. All this zone here are areas we are looking for price continuation to the upside, because whenever price is above the middle Bollinger Band, it means we are in an uptrend. Okay, so any trade we take from here, from the upper Bollinger Band, is an exhaustion for a reversal, and you know market don't buy forever, so it will reverse a little and then continue in the direction of the trend. But however, we know that we are in an uptrend. Okay, having established that, then we say for us to buy this, we want to prove that first we are in an uptrend. Okay, now this is an uptrend. How do I know we are in an uptrend? Remember, we begin by doing our structural analysis. This is a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, what do we say? A low, a high. We say this is our higher high. Sorry, our higher low, a low, a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high. Right? So these things are marked out this way to help you to know where you are. So we know that this is an uptrend structurally. Why? Because the market is giving us a series of a higher high and a higher low. So all these places are our structural points. All these places are our structural points. So knowing all these structural points, these are the area I want to see price come to. So for us to buy, boom, first of all we begin by establishing the structure of the market. Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? Having established that we are in an uptrend because the market is making a series of higher high, okay, a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high. Now having established this structural point, we'll now move to our 15-minute time frame. Okay, remember what we do on H1 is only to establish our point. Now when we come to our 15 minutes time frame, we want to see if this structural point is at our Bollinger Band level. Is our structural point at our Bollinger Band level? Either I want to buy or want to sell, but in this video I want to buy. If yes, this is example number 1. Price pull back, we want to buy to our middle Bollinger Band. Okay, price, you can see lower Bollinger Band, condition number 1. Then this is the stochastic at the level of 10. A cross or our indicators as well at the level of 10. And then these numbers of this RSI, okay, those numbers I just cycled there is at the level of 30, anything 30, 35 below, let your RSI number be around 30, 35 and below. This is the number I am referring to. This is the RSI number I'm referring to. That number in that box, 59.60. Now, let the number be reading 35 and below. Once you have seen that, you can buy. Okay? For example, if you want to use 4 lot size, first you put 2. You observe for a while, then you put the second one. And it is a win-win-win. You can see how it plays out perfectly. Okay? Remember we said the middle is a zone. It sold back to this zone of the middle Bollinger Band, and then it moved back to the upside again. You can see here, it came back to the middle of the Bollinger Band. Then look at every other agreement, everything in alignment, and then it begins to buy. Now, with this, you are holding it back to the upper band. But for instance, if you just want to scalp, to pick and run, you come to your M5. Okay, once you come to your M5, all you need to do is that you come to your M15 and just observe, okay, where exactly is the price? Is the price above the upper band or around the middle Bollinger Band or the lower band? Once you establish that above for the trend, then you come to your M5. Okay, then you wait for price to pull to this level. These indicators, they are converging at this point. Histogram at this level, right? And then you want to see that this RSI number that is reading is actually at this level. This RSI is at 35 below, 30, 35 below. Then you can buy, or you can go to your M1. Okay, you can see what is happening on your M1. These things are simple and pretty much simple. This is it. It got here, it got here. You watch out for this number to get to 30 below. Then you make your entry. Okay, you catch your spike. It's a simple and straightforward strategy. Don't intend this video to be long. You do the opposite. You pick up your crash. You can see this is crash 1000, and then you can see this happening. These conditions are met. Good. Then you see this number as from 30 it begins to drop. You be patient to allow it to get to 30.20, the RSI number. Then you make your entries and you are good to go. You are good to go. You can see it at any point. At any point these conditions are met, it drops. These conditions are met, it drops. Okay, and it will still be dropping from this zone. Alright, so let me run you briefly to the setup. And what is the setup? First of all, we have our Bollinger Band. The period is 130, deviation is 2.00. Shift to 0, apply to close. The style, you choose any pixel of your choice. Then you click on save. Then you have our moving average for the main chart. Period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Choose any style of your choice. Then our indicator window 1. We have our relative strength index, period 14, apply to close. The style is 1. Okay, the color is the background of your chart. We don't want it to show. Then you choose the level. Here are the various levels. For you to add level, you click on this plus sign. When you click on it, it will bring up a level for you. Okay, I click on it now. You see, it was when I click on it, this 0 came up. So you can tap on the 0 and edit it to any level of your choice. Okay, so I'm deleting it because I don't need it. Alright, so when you have done that, you go back, then you click on save. Then our indicator window 1, we have the MACD. You can see this is our MACD. It is the default setting of the MACD. Fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9. Okay, you apply to close and move to the next indicator. Our stochastic K period is 60, D period is 1, slowing 1. Apply to close. The method is exponential. See 2 pixel, 2 pixel. Okay, you now set the levels just as we did for the relative strength index. You can take a screenshot of this so you can do your setup. And then this is our moving average, period is 10, shift is 0, exponential. And after that, ensure that your screen is looking like my own. Okay, I believe you're getting value from this video. And please do not forget to like, click on the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever we publish a new video. Also, please share this video with your friends and loved ones. So in the next video, we are going back to our series. And what series are we talking about? We are looking at order block mitigation, liquidity, and order block mitigation. Okay, that is what we'll be looking at in our next video. So till then,